At first, let's know about sustainable development and its goal. Sustainable development has become a popular catchphrase in contemporary development discourse. The most often cited definition of the sustainable development concept is the
According
Blueprint
to this
Commission
report, sustainable development is development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. There are 17 goals of sustainable development, which is related to the poverty, education, gender equality, climate, and so on. Among these 17 goals, sustainable packaging is related with the goals 12, which is responsible consumption and production. This goal has some target and indicators which are implement the 10 years framework of programs on sustainable consumption and production, efficient use of natural resources, reduce waste generation by prevention, reduction, recycling and reuse, and also create awareness for sustainable development and lifestyle in harmony with nature.
Packaging plays an important role in fresh produce. It extends shelf life, ensures food safety standards are met, and reduces food waste and the ecological footprint of all stages in the product's life cycle. There are often opportunities for packaging to be improved when it comes to its impact on the environment. It helps both the producer and the consumer to reduce their environmental impact. Here we explored the concept of sustainable packaging and discuss why it is so important. Sustainable packaging. Sustainable packaging is also called green packaging. Sustainable packaging is the use of packaging materials that have lesser impact on both energy consumption as well as on the environment. The packaging materials in the case are created in an eco-friendly manner by using biodegradable and recyclable materials. Sustainable packaging criteria. It is beneficial, safe, and healthy for individuals and communities through its life cycle. It is sourced, manufactured, transported, and recycled using renewable energy. Optimizes the use of renewable or recycled source materials. It's manufactured using clean production technologies and best practices. It is made from materials healthy throughout the life cycle, and it's effectively recovered and utilized in biological and industrial closed-loop cycles. Sustainable packaging strategies. Share disposal and recycling best practices. Ship in a smaller package. Recycled packaging materials. Plant-based packaging. Edible packaging. Plantable packaging. Alternative energy sources. Compostable and biodegradable plastic alternatives. Avoid over-packaging throughout the supply chain. And use manufacturing partners with sustainable practices. Types of green packaging. First one is renewable resource-based packaging. It comes from sugarcane, corn, potatoes, etc. Second one is packaging optimization. Third one is recycled materials. Recycling materials remain a staple process within the green packaging industry. And the last one is packaging with additives. The tips to move eco-friendly packaging. Don't change everything at once. Consider a redesign. Order product samples. Adjust your pricing. Order small volumes. Fast in and fast out. Consider ecoing your product. Flaunt your eco packaging.
Importance of sustainable packaging. Sustainable packaging is important because it reduces the ecological footprint of all the stages in the product's life cycle. It helps both the producer and the consumer reduce their environmental impact. Advantages. It reduces carbon footprint, reduces use of resources, increased use of renewable resources like instead of using paper derived from cutting down trees. For example, some green packaging manufacturers use paper that comes from agricultural fiber instead. Increased use of recycled products. It is more energy efficient manufacturing methods, cleaner and safer oceans. Like plastic packaging in particular is notoriously harmful to marine life, so making use of alternative sources of packaging helps mitigate these unfortunate conditions. There are some limitations. A possible downside to adopting sustainable packaging is that sometimes these materials require unique disposal methods. Not all customers may be familiar with the different packaging and shipping materials and how they must be disposed of. Cost concerns, product safety, and unwillingness of customers to pay.
Indicators describe a concept and can express positive or negative movements towards a goal. For example, percent of total material. There are normally 52 indicators identified. These are mainly four categories: environmental indicator, life cycle indicators, economic indicator, and social indicator. Environmental indicators: packaging weight, total material input, material waste, recycled content, renewable content. Life cycle indicators: water consumption, land occupation, ozone depletion, acidification potential, photochemical ozone creation potential, resource depletion, freshwater ecotoxicity potential. Economic indicators: total cost of packaging, packaged product wastage, life cycle embodied energy protection, packaging service value. Social indicators: product safety, packaged product shelf life, end of life communication, child labor, occupational health, safety performance, responsible workplace practice, freedom of association, excessive working hours, etc.
Sustainable packaging is the development and use of packaging which results in improved sustainability. This involves increased use of life cycle inventory and life cycle assessment to help guide the use of packaging which reduces the environmental impact and ecological footprint. Sustainable packaging, alternatively known as green packaging. The green packaging market across the globe is expected to experience a stable growth from 2015 to 2021. The global market of green packaging in 2015 was worth $212 billion. It was worth $244 billion in 2018. It is expected to surpass $275 billion by the end of current year. The participation of Bangladesh companies in the global green packaging market is on the rise, but it is still low in terms of proportion. The importance of green packaging is rising in the global market. In the last fiscal year, packaging and accessories factories earned $7.5 billion through the R&D sector, and now we are emphasizing on eco-friendly packaging industry.
Related organizations working on sustainable packaging in Bangladesh. The number of organizations working on sustainable packaging in Bangladesh is not so much. Some organizations which are currently working in this sector are Expo Accessories Limited, Onkur Packaging, Trim Sourcing, and Bangladesh Jute Mills Corporation (BJMC). Expo Accessories Limited. It is a Bangladeshi company which is producing biodegradable packaging from an unlikely source material, corn or maize, with the aim of offering a suitable alternative to polythene bags. It is also environment friendly. Currently, it is producing around 3 lakh bags every day. Its factory is located in Kamarpara, Gazipur. Onkur Packaging. Onkur Packaging is a 100% export-oriented carton box manufacturing company which is located in Dhaka. It is established in 2001. According to the company, their paper is 100% virgin and comes from natural forest resources and recycled old boxes. Trim Sourcing. Trim Sourcing are concerned of Simco Group. It is established in 2005. It claims that it manufactures biodegradable plastic bag which is fully landfill products and will not harm our planet. And the final organization is Bangladesh Jute Mills Corporation. Mobarak Ahmed Khan, a scientist at Bangladesh Atomic Energy Commission and Bangladesh Jute Mills Corporation, in collaboration with other researchers from Bangladesh, developed a natural fiber composite material from jute as an alternative to polythene, which is then named as Sonali bag. Currently, BJMC has been producing 2000 Sonali bags per day on a trial basis. Sonali bag is not yet being produced commercially because of disagreement between the inventor of this bag and its producers regarding the technology and methods of production. As a citizen of Mother Earth, we should save the environment as much as we can. We all know that polythene and other plastic packaging materials are damaging our terrestrial and marine environment crucially. So, sustainable packaging can be a great way to save our country, our planet. Thank you all for watching our video accordingly. Assalamu alaikum.